and with deep conviction for the mission of the association at all times. This will affect the livelihood of Asian American real estate practitioners and the growing housing needs of the diverse Asian American and Pacific Islander communities. In taking this oath, you are accepting that responsibility. Will you please raise your right hand? All right. Do you solemnly swear that you will administer the position of president and board members to the best of your ability and in judgment and conformity with the bylaws of the Asian Real Estate Association of America? Please signify by saying, I will. All right. That you will, in all acts representative of AREAA, be governed by the principles of honesty, justice, and fair play, and in every manner possible endeavor to promote and safeguard the best interests of the Asian American homebuyers, the purpose of the association, and the welfare of AREAA's membership. If so, please say, I will. You may now lower your hand. As the 2023 National President of AREAA, I proclaim you to be duly installed board members of the Asian Real Estate Association of America, Greater Philadelphia Chapter. Congratulations. Thank you.